Welcome to Lala's World. Today we're going to talk about how to earn money from YouTube without AdSense. This video, we're going to talk about methods other than AdSense that you can use to get paid without having 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time. YouTube has made some changes since my last video about how to get paid on YouTube. The changes have demonetized some channels, altogether leaving some YouTubers without a YouTube salary. Let's get started. One of the first ways is to license your content to the media. Let's say you made a video and it went viral. You can offer to license it to the media, such as TV, news outlets, morning shows, online news sites, and even other creators. There are also marketplaces where you can list your content for purchase. Here's an example here. This one is called Junkin Media. Basically, you just submit your video, fill out your info, and click submit. The next method is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is where you can earn a commission from another website for sending traffic to their site. The commission is generated through either a click or a purchase depending on the way that retailer has it set up. You can do research and find most online retailers have affiliate marketing, such as Walmart, Amazon, or even Etsy. Next, sponsorship and brand deals. It's a good idea to have a separate business email for your channel. You never know when you may get contacted for a brand deal or sponsored video. Also, you can reach out to different companies and say, hey, I'm a YouTuber and make these types of videos and think your product would be a great fit for my audience, and see if they'll send you some products or sponsor your video and center it around their products. Crowdfunding and donations. You can add a PayPal link or use a platform to accept donations and get crowdfunding from your viewers to help support your content creation. If people like your content and you give them really good information, or they just really like your videos, they probably wouldn't have a problem supporting you. So definitely, if that's something you're looking forward to, then definitely reach out to people and let them know that they can support your channel. Another way is marketing a business that you already have. If you already have an existing business, YouTube is a great way to market and transfer videos and to store visits. They can come to your YouTube channel, see what you have to offer, and let them know, hey, I've got a physical store. Come on down to my store and make your purchase. Or if you offer a service, get your services. Next, product sales. You can sell and market your own products directly on YouTube. So say you make items, whether they're handmade or actual products, you can maybe do reviews or just talk about the products and show how they benefit people and show how, they might like them. And if people like them and want your product or service that you offer, you can definitely have them go directly to your website and get a sale, or maybe have like a PayPal or invoicing set up and go from there. Website and blog traffic. If people like your videos and you have a blog or website, let your viewers know about it, and all those views can translate into traffic to your website or blog. Next, you can teach online courses. If you have a tutorial or teaching channel, you can include some really valuable content that leaves your viewers wanting more and redirect them to paid online courses where they can purchase even more of your valuable content. And lastly, you can rent out your videos. You can offer to give shout outs and links to other channels for a fee. It's definitely something that you can look into to make a profit. Any of these methods are how to get paid on YouTube without having 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time. Earning money on YouTube is definitely easy. Again, you just have to stay consistent and take your YouTube channel seriously, but still have fun doing it, and you will see results. Well, thanks for watching, and I hope this video has been helpful in showing you how to earn money from YouTube without AdSense. If you have any questions, leave them down below. Any comments, leave them down below, and be sure to subscribe and like and share this video.